Hello everyone! Today I will make a chicken curry. Here are my ingredients. Chicken, coconut milk, curry powder, olive oil for frying, pesos, salt and pepper, Knorr cubes, celery, stalk of celery, potatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, red bell pepper. This is a Filipino style, guys. Hello everyone! After I slice the vegetables and cut the potatoes as well as the chicken, now guys, we will start cooking. First, I will pan fry this chicken. Oops! I guess this is it, guys. Then we will fry the potatoes too. Oh, actually, guys, this is just kind of half cook. It's not a fully cook because later we will cook this again. Now we will fry these potatoes. I will lower the heat. I just put it here. I forgot to find my other, you know, cooking thing. Other. Now, guys, I will change my pot because I have lots of. I will change this frying pan because I have lots of vegetables. Now we will stir fry. Stir fry, stir fry. Okay, guys, we'll saute the onions. Where did I put my thing? We'll saute the onions. And the garlic. And this is my ginger. Saute the onions, the garlic. Put a little bit of salt. After we saute the onions and the garlic as well as ginger, now we'll add these vegetables. And we need to put some. We'll put this is pepper, guys. I will put one TBSP. It's just half, so we'll make that one. And guys, this is a piece sauce. So we will put one TB. Oh, I need to decrease that. I pour it by accident. And we'll put a 2 cans of, we'll put a 1 cup of water, 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. And this is our coconut, guys. I put two, coconut. And we'll put the chicken and boil it until this chicken will be fully cooked. Oh, I will put now, guys, the curry powder. This is no. Actually, it seems I didn't open this yet. Since that this is last, I will put a 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. And you guys, you can just adjust. According to your taste. And I will put the Knorr beef cube, guys. And we'll simmer this until this will cook. We'll simmer it for a while. We'll boil it for a while until the chicken will be fully cooked. Okay, guys. It's time now to put the potatoes. The chicken for sure already cooked because we already cook it long. I'll just taste it. This is good. Okay guys, this is our chicken curry. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.